Hi, Dustin Newman, SMC Electric down here in Joplin, Missouri. We're going to be covering our SMC PTU. There's a handful of different applications we're going to look at, such as level here, pressure, flow, different applications. So let's get into it. The workhorse behind our process training unit is our CompactLogix L33. We're going to be using the PlantPX add-on instructions for that. Controlling our flow rates and our pump down here is our PowerFlex drive. And then for communications on this, it's our Stratix 5700. So this is our EX260 SMC valve pack. We'll be setting that up using Ethernet IP, configuring it. This device controls each one of our control valves. Also part of this course, we're going to be filling and emptying tanks. So obviously right here we'd have water coming in, filling this tank. This tank would be emptying, vice versa. This is how we're going to control our PID. During this course, we'll be using the ultrasonic principle for measuring level on our tanks. We got our Allen Bradley level transmitter over here, and then on tank number 2, we'll be using our ENH level transmitter. We'll also dive into our SMC pressure transmitter. That'll be one of our process variables we'll be using. We'll scale the analog signal in that. Also, our control valve down here, it does the current to pressure conversion, and that's one of our control variables in our process. Another thing we'll be covering in the course is our Badger meter, mag meter right here. This will be our flow process variable. And then we'll also get into setting up our point IO for controlling some of our field devices. Also in the course, we're going to touch on FactoryTalk View Studio. That's the application we have running here on our remote HMI. And then we'll be doing the communication with our wireless bolt. This is just one way SMC can help improve your process. Please contact your local distributor for more information. Again, thank you for watching the video. And at SMC, our knowledge is your power.